Hey there. Welcome back to our channel where we bring you the latest in tech news. In today's story, Samsung software engineers were busted for pasting proprietary code into ChatGPT. So jumping right into it, we're going to use this article that was posted by PC Mag yesterday. Basically, in search of a bug fix, developers sent lines of confidential code to ChatGPT on two separate occasions, which the AI chatbot happily feasted on as training data for future public responses. So moving down a little bit here, we can see multiple employees of Samsung's Korea-based semiconductor business plug lines of confidential code into ChatGPT, effectively leaking corporate secrets that could be included in the chatbot's future responses to other people around the world. One employee copied buggy source code from a semiconductor database into the chatbot and asked it to identify a fix. Another employee did the same for a different piece of equipment, requesting code optimization from ChatGPT, after a third employee asked the AI model to summarize meeting notes. Samsung executive steps in. The company limited each employee's prompt to ChatGPT to 1,024 bytes. So basically, they kind of limited the prompts to ChatGPT so they can go ahead and solve this issue, because clearly this is a major issue if this is proprietary code that they didn't want leaked. So actually, 3 weeks earlier, Samsung had lifted its ban on ChatGPT, because initially they had it banned. But after recent incidents, it's considering reinstating the ban as well as disciplinary action for the employees. I think definitely these employees should have known better. They were using ChatGPT to try to do better with their job, but if you're working for a company that has proprietary information or code, you should know that you should never be putting it in any public chatbot or anywhere public at all, for that matter. So they definitely should be getting disciplinary action, in my opinion, but we'll see what comes from that. I'll keep you guys updated on this story. So as soon as the content is entered in ChatGPT, data is transmitted and stored on an external server, making it impossible for the company to retrieve it. So once you put an info into ChatGPT, it's stored on their server and you can't go ahead and get it out of there. Once it's in there, it's done. So their proprietary code is now officially leaked. The OpenAI user guide warns against this behavior. We're not able to delete specific prompts from your history. Please don't share any sensitive information in your conversations. So clearly they made a big mistake here. And why is it so great for coding? Well, it's really good to find and fix buggy code, but it's definitely not perfect at all, and people need to understand that. ChatGPT's coding knowledge is apparently enough for it to get hired at Google as an entry-level engineer. So this can replace the time, sometimes hours, engineers spend surfing sites like Stack Overflow, a popular resource engineers turn to for troubleshooting. But the problem that comes with ChatGPT fixing code or writing scripts or writing blog posts or really anything is that while the answers which ChatGPT produces have a high rate of being incorrect, they typically look like they might be good and answers are very easy to produce. So if it saves you a lot of time and you're not really checking your work to see if this information is factual, then you're probably going to be making a ton of mistakes because ChatGPT is not always correct. So Samsung is reportedly considering building its own AI to prevent future mishaps, though engineers could likely bypass any measurements by using ChatGPT on personal devices. So if AI and ChatGPT is banned at your company, don't go on a personal device and use it. You will get fired once you get caught, and you could be leaking sensitive information. But keep in mind that Microsoft Bing and Google Bard also detect bugs in lines of code, so banning ChatGPT is not a bulletproof solution. You'd have to really ban all chatbots. So that's it for today's news. Let me know what you guys are using ChatGPT for in the comments down below, and like and subscribe for more AI content.